Welcome to Minnesota, land of a shit ton of snow. Just as I was hanging up my road bikes for maintenance and hibernation, I had another plan brewing. Many folks who share the same paths as me pedal year-round on skinny road tires, braving narrower bike lanes and icy bridges, but I wanted something different for my winter riding. The world of fat tire and plus bikes seemed awfully enticing with the go-anywhere mentality that not even a gravel bike could keep up with. A new bike wasn't exactly in my budget, and even if it was, that money is going into my summer bikes. I wanted to see just how cheaply I could reach into the world of plus bikes on a retro mountain bike. After 2 impatient weeks of scouring Craigslist, I came home with this. This is a 90s Decathlon Rock Rider 520. I picked up this bad boy for $40. The bike has a lot going for it with a threadless stem, a titanium rear wheel, and most importantly, potential clearance for plus tires. However, it wasn't all sunshine and smiles. A faulty front shifter, a crappy seat, and a frame that was a few sizes too small for me left the bike needing some serious changes before it would be ready to brave a Minnesota winter. Now, I'm not going to get into the specifics of how I plan to address those issues. I wanted to take apart the entire bike and re-grease everything and make sure everything was in working order before I rode it for the entirety of the winter. So that's what I did first. Alright, so first time taking apart a bike went better than expected. The only 2 major points of concern I had was the seized fork that required a hammer and the fact that the crankset on the crank side came off without a crank puller. I'm sure the bottom bracket is trash, but I'm probably going to use it anyways, so oh well. So I'm going to get the bike cleaned up, and in the next video I will show you the reassembly. Click subscribe if you liked what you saw, and stay tuned for the next video.